In this video, I'm going to speak about ControlUp integration within the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.5 console. We're very excited to be partnering with ControlUp in this instance to link their monitoring solutions, so their ControlUp monitors, within our console and allow customers to automatically assign agents to their AVD session hosts within their environment. To begin this process, we click Link and select the resource group which contains the ControlUp monitor. And then we select the monitor server and click OK. Nerdio will perform some initial discovery tasks, which we'll see begin in the task list. And once complete, we should be able to authenticate with the monitor. See now that this task has been completed. So we can now click into the environment and turn monitoring on. And at this point, we need to insert our authentication key, which we can get from our monitor server. To get this, we need to go to the Settings tab. And then the Agents page and copy the key. We can then return to the NME console and paste our key. Optionally, we can choose to automatically remove deleted desktops from ControlUp after a specified period. We've set our configuration, and you can see that the console helpfully informs us that a new version of the ControlUp software is available and that we can apply this. So we would do this from the monitor console. After enabling, the next step is to enable the function on our host pools. So we select the pool that we wish to assign this to, click Properties, and open up the new ControlUp tab. And again, we receive a message that a new version of the software is available, which is helpful and can help us to know when we need to upgrade. We flick the switch for ControlUp monitoring to on. At this point, we're using the default authentication key and settings for the environment. However, if we wish to choose a different agent version or monitor, if we had multiple in the environment, specify a retention period if after deletion, we can do this, or auto-select a separate folder, which is enabled even when the use default settings are configured. So we need to select a site, and I'm going to choose the default, and we need to choose a folder, and I'm going to choose my test folder, and save and close. Once that's been saved, the system will go through the process of assigning agents to all of the AVD desktops within that pool. And from the console, we'll then see that our hosts have appeared within the ControlUp console, ready to report. This is a great new feature of Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.5. We hope that our shared ControlUp customers will enjoy this, and hopefully it will make your lives easier from a management and reporting perspective. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you again.